Good morning, guys. Today I'm painting on a 30cm square canvas using phthalo turquoise, which is just a gorgeous colour. Phthalo blue, which is also called Prussian blue, which is also a lovely colour, and emerald green, which is one of my very favourite colours. It's a translucent colour and it can produce the most wonderful effects. I'm going to add a touch of iridescent silver to the mix, and there is a tiny amount of silicone in this left over from a previous pour. As always with Dutch pours, I'm going to surround the colour with white and then swamp it completely with the white after blowing out any air bubbles. And already we're getting cells around the iridescent silver. So use the hairdryer to blow the white over the colour completely and then blow it back out across the canvas. And I just love this already. We've got some air bubbles here which I'll need to pop. So I didn't want to blow any more with the hairdryer because it was potentially almost perfect the way it was. I've got some lovely cells popping up here, so I'm just blowing out the edges to tip them over the edge of the canvas. But actually I like the symmetry of this design. I like the way it sits on the canvas already. And I love the colours. The centre here is a kind of blank, and I'm trying to work out how to get some colour back into it. It's a sort of empty space in the middle of the painting, but I feel there's lots of colours underneath this white if I could just encourage them to come out. Some selling action already, but still there's space in the middle, so what to do about it? Trying to blow back some of the colour, but I don't want to damage the selling that's already there, so using the straw helps me to be slightly more precise and just fill the space. Now this already looks better, it's not a white blob, it's more like a splash. Yeah, this is beginning to come together a bit more now, so I've just caused some extra air bubbles, so I'll get rid of them using the hot air gun. And already the cells are starting to pop up. I'm pleased with this painting so far. I like the white negative space compared to the colour, and it's nicely balanced on the canvas. Here we go. This is better. Cells are beginning to pop up now. I'm much happier with this. Yes, let me bring you in for a close-up so you can see it from my perspective. and the cells are multiplying even as I look at the painting. So I'm very pleased I didn't interfere with this too much. It is a challenge to know when to stop and when to keep going. This one had the potential from the beginning to be good, and I was really determined not to spoil it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.